Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon to my channel. I hope everybody enjoyed their holiday weekend and they were able to spend it with family, good food, great company. Coming back to you this week with another nail video. Doing something a little bit different today. I love a classic French nail look. There are so many different designs that you can do out there. So I picked 5 that I would like to wear and just wanted to do them all in one video. So if you're having a hard time kind of figuring out which French nail design you like best, you can see them all in one shot. Not doing any nail prep in this video. If that is something that you would like to see, I do have other videos where I show my nail prep on there. But I'm using a peel off base coat before I applied the actual base coat because I want to pop these off at the end. I'm not using a specific polygel kit for this design today. I'm using 2 different polygels. This white is a Gershon polygel that I got from a kit, and then the pink is from the Pink and Bling polygel kit from Makartt. I'm thinking that white might be a tough polygel to make for some reason. I only have ever received one white color, and I did notice that it was a lot thicker and a little bit tougher to move around, I guess. A lot tougher than the pink was to move around. And then I didn't find that with any of the other Gershon polygels that I've used, so I wonder if white's just one of those complicated colors. I don't know. So the designs that I decided to do today are the Smile Line French, which is probably one of my favorites. Then I am going in with the, I don't know what you would call it, maybe like a square French. I don't know, where it comes down the sides, it's like the tip, but it looks really cute. Then I'm going to do a V French, which is kind of like a more popular one these days. And then the straight, I think classic French. And then I will do a half French, like slanted on the pinky. When using any polygel, you do need a slip solution. You can use rubbing alcohol 70% or you can use 91%. That's what I'm using here. And it just makes it a lot easier to push the product around. You could also use a base coat if you don't have rubbing alcohol. The base coat that comes in all of the polygel kits would work just fine. After applying the white in all of the tip of the nails, I do flash cure in between for about 10 to 15 seconds before I put the pink on. Just because if you do put the pink on before you flash cure, you will ruin all of the hard work you just did trying to make it as straight as possible. So yes, flash cure first and then go in with your pink or whatever color that you're using and then cure onto your finger for a full 60 seconds. This method that I'm doing here is the Femi Beauty method. I really like doing this method, especially when I'm in a rush. If you are new to nails or you're not comfortable building up that apex, you're not good with shape, anything like that, I do recommend this method. Pretty much everything is already done for you. You just got to put the design in the nail, you cure it on, leave it there. Shape, smoothness, everything's already done for you. And then just go in with like your top coat or rhinestones, other designs that you're going to do on top of the nail, but the hard work of shaping, building up the apex, making sure it's sturdy enough, that takes everything right out of there. So Femi Beauty method, if you have not done it yet or tried it, I suggest that you do.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back.
If you're still watching and enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me which is your favorite French nail design, whether I did it here today or just in general. What is your favorite? I'd like to hear.
It's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you want
After everything is placed, I do go in and I cure again for a full 60 seconds just to make sure everything is secure. Then I'm taking my 100-180 nail file, just going around the tips and the sides of the nails. When you use full cover tips, there is that little rigid edge at the very top, so you want to file that off. And then any polygel that may have spilled out of the sides and along the cuticle, I take my e-file and just go around the cuticle area, make sure it's all nice and smooth and flush to the nail. filing and buffing up the nails, I'm now going in with a no wipe top coat. This is one that I got in one of the Makartt Polygel kits. Carrying that for a full 60 seconds. I realized on camera here that the white and the pink kind of look similar. It was hard to actually see the design, so I ended up going in with a white nail polish just to brighten up the white so you could actually see what was going on here. After I go in with the white nail polish, I then apply the cuticle oil, and I think they turned out cute. You know, it gives you a pretty good idea of what French nail ideas that you can do. I hope this was helpful. If you guys found it helpful and you enjoyed watching, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me which is your favorite. If you are not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and again, the notification bell. And I really hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys!